All right, tonight we're gonna make a blueberry dump cake or blueberry cobbler. First thing is we're gonna need 2 cans of blueberries and we're just gonna dump them in. Oh man, this already smells delicious. Make sure they're spread around evenly. This is gonna be super simple. There's only a couple ingredients. All right, there's the blueberries. And then we got 1 package of white cake mix. We're just gonna dump that all around. Spread that out a bit. While you're doing this, you should preheat your oven to 350. Once that's all spread out nice and even, we're gonna go ahead and take a stick of butter, slice it up, and then put it all over the top. You could also do melted butter, but we're gonna do sliced butter this time. Okay, just take the butter and just spread it out all over the top. There you go, just like that. And then we'll put this in the oven for about 45 minutes. Okay, we just pulled it out of the oven. Looks delicious. Now we're gonna let it sit there and cool for just a little bit. Okay, put a scoop of ice cream on it. Delicious. Now it's time for the taste test. Okay, here's the taste test. What do you think? Blueberry dump cake.
I've never had blueberry, but that is really, really good.
Was it good?
Yeah, it's been snowing all day, and this is so warm and so good.
And it was super simple. You gotta try it.
It's
Rate
really
it.
good. Ooh, 8.
There you go.